So in today's video, I will be guiding you through on how to add circle around in your Adobe Acrobat. So usually, since Adobe Acrobat is usually deals with PDF and documents, so it has to do with like circle through like circle around has to go with certain, like highlighting certain words or a sentence like that. So without any further ado, let's get started. Also, a little disclaimer, you might not be able to see the toolbar, but you don't have to worry at all. All you have to do is go and like follow along. I will just guide you through each and every step. All you have to do is just listen up. So I hope you know where the toolbar is at your Adobe Acrobat. Just go to the toolbar, and first step is you have to go to the flip option and click onto that option, and it will show you that drop down menu. So usually that contains of type text, cross mark, check mark, and dot. Right below the dot you can see the option of circle around. Simply tap into that option, and now all you have to do is choose the word or any sentence you want to circle. So usually we work with words, so let's circle around this neurobiology. You can also move around and make it up to your size. Let's say I want to choose like make it bigger. So what this will do is that it can also work as a highlight and stuff like that. So also let's choose another word like cognitive psychology. Let's say in order to try like enlarge the size, you can simply hover your clicker over here and just drag it like this, and eventually it will just stretch. Okay, there you go. So this is basically how you add circle around in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking our video. Thank you so much for watching.